Hi everybody, my name is Mr. Stuart Hill. I'm the head of the Physical Education Department here at MUIDS. We as a faculty would like to congratulate you seniors on completing your exams and give you a bit of advice of how to make the most of your time left here at MUIDS. Seniors will have the opportunity to work with their teachers and grow their academic skills. This will better prepare them for university and beyond. MUIDS has over 30 clubs and activities to choose from. Seniors can discover a new pursuit that they're passionate about, one they can continue well into the future. Soon our 12th grade students will graduate. When they do, the MUIDS staff and faculty, as well as their fellow students, will never again be in the same place at the same time. Seniors, take the time to appreciate the people around you.